How to create Google Drive account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Google Drive application, or you can simply open Google Chrome on your device. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be led to the sign in page. So tap on the create account option you see there and then select if you want to create an account for your personal use or your work or business purpose. Select any of your preferred option. I will select personal use. You will then be required to enter your first name and your surname. That is optional. So enter your name and tap on next, and further enter your date of birth along with the gender, and then tap on the next option again. You will then be required to enter your email address. So go ahead and type in your email address of your choice, or you can also see from the provided options. Once you have entered your email address, tap on next, and then you will be required to create a strong password. So go ahead and create a strong password with a mixture of letters, numbers, and symbols. And with this, your account will be all set. You will be required to review your account info then. So review your account info and tap on next again, and then agree to the terms and conditions of Google by tapping on the I agree button at the bottom. And with this, as you can see, your new Google Drive account has been created. So this is how you can create Google Drive account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.